integrate I is equals to, it is integral of log of x whole square divided by, or rather I can say, it is which form? For the second form, I'm taking this fourth form, f of x whole square into f dash of x. But where is this f dash of x here in this problem? I can rewrite this one as, it is integral of log of x whole square into 1 by x into dx. I can write in this form. So this becomes what form? Integral of f of x whole square into f dash of x into dx form. So now I have to put the value of, therefore put the value of log of x to be equals to t. Now try to differentiate this one with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of log of x will be 1 by x and derivative of x will be dx is equals to what? Is equals to dt. Is it right? Now if I try to plug in this value back in the given integral, I is equals to, you'll be getting integral of log of x. Log of x is t, so therefore we'll be getting t square. And what about this 1 by t into dx, sorry, 1 by x into dx? Its value is dt. So replace that by dt. So now you can use the standard formula. The standard formula that we know is this one. It is integral of x power of n into dx will be nothing but x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration. Let us use this one. Now here, what is the value of n? You are having n as 2. X value will be t. Accordingly, we'll try to write down. It is t power of, that means x power of n plus 1. N value is 2. So 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. Therefore, we'll be getting 2 plus 1 will be 3. T cube by 3 plus the constant c. But the value of t that we have taken over here, t value is nothing but log of x. So replace t by log of x. So you'll be getting log of x and power 3 is there, whole cube divided by 3 plus the constant c. That will be the required solution.